Ride your bike. Go ahead and ride your bike. Yeah. Going backwards. Go ahead, ride your bike. Let me see. Oh, good job. You're tricky. Look at you. Where are you going? You're going to have to go backwards. Ride your other bike. How about your other bike? Let me see. Go ahead. Go ahead, let me see. Woohoo! Oh! Papa Wheelie. Alan, did he see a Papa Wheelie? You don't know. What's next, your horse? You gonna ride your horsey? Go ahead and ride your horse. You're just gonna pull your horse? Other bike? Whoa! You are super cool on these bikes. Look at you go. You going out the door? Look at that. Right into the corner and backwards. Look at that trick. You are good at that. Very good. Very good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look how fast. Careful. Oh, bump. Where to now? You're working very hard. What? Flowers. They're flowers. You like them? Look at the flowers. Yeah, you can't eat them. You want your butter?